This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Clams are on the menu today at Benvenuto in Milford. That's where I am for our dish of the week. And here to walk us through all of these ingredients and putting them together, we have the one and only Chef Zeus.
That would be me.
Yes, it is. Zeus, tell us, I know we're making clams, but what's the dish?
Yes. So, this is one of my favorite dishes, and it's just clams and chorizo. And I say just clams and chorizo because it's a very simple dish, all right?
Chef Zeus says this dish is all about keeping it simple. Fresh clams, chorizo, garlic, onion, and just a touch of tomato come together for a flavor that's rich, but still light. He starts with a hot pan, olive oil, and roasted onion. Then in goes the chorizo, bringing that smoky, savory kick that makes the whole kitchen smell amazing.
That chorizo smells delicious already.
I was just about to say, it's starting to smell so good.
It really is, okay?
The clams go right on top, cooking gently in all of that flavor. Garlic joins the party, then a splash of white wine, because like Zeus says, if you wouldn't drink it, don't cook with it. And pro tip, clean your clams really well. A quick scrub under cold water makes sure you get rid of any grit.
If you guys can see CoastLife, you see here?
Yeah, it's starting to open a little bit.
He's already starting to open, okay?
Yeah.
Because they're starting to cook, they're starting to relax, okay?
Once everything starts to simmer, he adds a little stock and just a spoonful of tomato. Then the magic happens under the lid. As the clams open, all that flavor melts together into a broth that's pure comfort.
And every now and then I just kind of peek and see.
And check
they're
on
cooking,
them.
and a couple of them are popping open.
Nice.
And to serve it, Zeus goes classic with saffron rice. The color, the aroma, and that touch of crispy goodness at the bottom all nods to the paella-inspired roots.
What we're doing is, and you see that's jumping around a little bit, right?
I was just about to say, yeah.
It's sauteing. Do you know that's what saute means?
Yes, to jump. You
It
mentioned
means to
that
jump.
before. I
And
love
this
that.
rice is jumping, right?
And Zeus, I know Benvenuto always has something going on. What upcoming events do you have coming up?
So we have lots of things coming up. So on October 17th and 18th, all right, we have Colby's Game Burger Night.
Ooh,
right?
Game Burger.
It's a game burger. It's his famous dish.
Nice.
We also have another pasta class on the 18th. All right, so you guys know I do a lot of the cooking classes here, but I want to also talk about the masquerade ball.
Yes.
All right, so we have a murder mystery dinner that we always do here, and this one is Murder at the Masquerade Ball, and that takes place on October 24th.
Okay.
So if you haven't made reservations for it, definitely make them.
And do people just walk into that, or is it reservation
Oh no,
only?
that's reservations only. So when you make your reservations, you pick your menu.
Perfect. All right, CoastLife, take note of that. Make sure you book ahead early.
Finally, the clams and chorizo sauce gets spooned right over the rice.
So this is what we do, all right? Because also we want to look pretty, but we want to make sure that our guests can get at everything easily. It's easy for them to eat, right?
Makes sense.
All right, so that's why I'm kind of plating it like this. And then I want to take this wonderful sauce that has our chorizo, all right? Has that white wine, a tomato, all right?
And I like how you divided it. So you have the rice on one side, the clams on the other, rather than having the clams like
Absolutely.
on top of the rice.
Look at that.
Finished with a sprinkle of parsley and that signature Benvenuto touch.
There.
I love all the colors
Right?
on this.
And look, there you have it. You have Benvenutos, clams, chorizo, and saffron rice.
It's a dish that's hearty, colorful, and packed with flavor. And yes, you can try it yourself.
Zeus, I am so excited to dig into this. Fun fact, I have actually never had clams before.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so you're gonna be setting the bar pretty high for any other
my
future
goodness.
clam I have after this.
Wow.
All right, are we digging in?
Yeah, so I'm going to show you what I do. So what I like to do is, I like to just go in here
Okay.
and pull one of these little
Following
guys
your
out.
lead.
Yep. Okay.
All right.
And then I go over here, grab a little bit of that sauce, grab a little bit of that rice.
Oh, I see. Okay, wait, I'm struggling pulling this out. Sauce, rice. All right, let's try this. See that bite, CoastLife? Wow.
Isn't that good?
That is really good. Yeah, first time having clams. You're setting the bar pretty high.
It really is.
I love all the flavors that are complementing each other. The peas are actually a very nice touch in this. This is amazing. You've outdone yourself once again.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I am. For our CoastLife Dish of the Week, right here at Benvenuto in Milford. Stop by and try some of this CoastLife. I think you'll really enjoy it. But you will also enjoy more CoastLife, so stick around because there's more on the way.